Hello, Arshad sir. Welcome to the Bollywood talk show on IWM Buzz. It's a pleasure, and I've literally got the coolest dude on the house right now. And thank you so much for joining us. First of all, Durga Mati, quite an interesting trailer, quite an interesting movie, interesting character as well. To start with, tell us about the character. Then I'll definitely be talking about other things.
Oh God, this is one of those characters that I wish I could say a lot about, but I can't. So all I can say is that yes, he's a very honest minister, and he's a good man, and he is That's one of those things, and that's all I can say.
बाकी फिल्म देखने के बाद सबको पता चलेगा तो नहीं पता
वही चक्कर है इस कैरेक्टर के साथ वही चक्कर है
yeah we're definitely looking forward to it because we normally associate you with the best of comedy roles and जहाँ पे you always ace it big time, so it's quite interesting and intriguing as well. तो वो देखने को तो मिलेगा ही. ये जो एक the plot जो है basically where it is about an officer who is basically falling trapped to a conspiracy and that too being trapped in a haunted house. तो ये जो डरावना जो सीन है, ये भूत भूत चक्कर में आप पर्सनली बिलीव करते हो? आपको पर्सनली भूत भूत से डर लगता है क्या?
मुझे इंसानों से ज्यादा डर लगता है एक्चुअली.
That's the Arshad Watsi kind of answer I expect.
I always wonder. Because I keep asking this question. I said, भूत हमेशा इंसानों की क्यों होते, जानवरों के भूत क्यों नहीं होते? हमने कभी ये नहीं सुना एक कुत्ते का भूत देखा है. हमेशा एक औरत होती है व्हाइट साड़ी में,
and that too white साड़ी या white कपड़े में,
वो भी कॉस्ट्यूम सब कुछ हमको डिटेल में पता होता है. I guess there must be something supernatural जो मैं I'm not aware of, but I think it could be maybe I don't know 10% honesty and 90% of pigmentation and जो भी है. But as I said, somebody could reply कि why भूत सिर्फ इंसानों के होते और जानवरों के नहीं होते, मुझे पता तो वो भी तो मरते हैं.
It's actually a very valid question. I think this should be our next Twitter question. अगर आप ये डाल दोगे सिर्फ धमाल मच जाएगा वहाँ पे, मैं आप कसम से बोल रहा हूँ. But talking about the character and the movie, of course, इसके पहले I would say around the 90s and the 2000s time, उस time पे we used to see horror movies of a different kind. Now अभी horrors में thriller भी बनता है, horrors में comedy भी बन रहा है. You have got movies like Stree, Golmaal, for example, Golmaal. So the trend of horror in India has changed. Where do you see the trend and pattern of horror going in the next few years? Because it's constantly on the move.
See, it is going to get better. I'll tell you what's happening is it's not just the horror genre. We all a bit influenced by international cinema. So there's a level of reality that is getting into the cinema. You understand? तो earlier क्या होता था, slot होता था, एक बंदा होता जो कॉमेडी आके करके जाता था और हॉरर चलता था और एक डरावना सा आदमी होता था, एक बंदा कॉमेडी करता था, एक आइटम गाना होता था, ऐसे तो एक सेट फॉर्मेट था. Somehow now it's a different situation. So now you have to show reality. So just because your hero is in a horror film does not mean that he doesn't smile at all or he doesn't laugh at all. He also has a normal life. But there's a time when he sees a ghost and he gets scared. So that reality is there creeping in. Plus, I think somewhere we realized that it's not about scary faces. It's about scary characters. It's about what the character's been, and the depth of the character that is scarier than making ugly faces and cuts and bruise and blood oozing out and all that. That doesn't scare you. Well, that we see in every film anyway. So I think it's that. Like, I like Pari a lot. I thought Pari was very scary. So it was good. And there's nothing. It's just that the whole story and the feel and the ambience and what's happening over there scared you. That atmosphere scared you. That world was
exactly. And sir, एक चीज जो कि मैं आपको हमेशा से पूछना चाहता था, आज मुझे पहली बार मौका मिला है कि when you're doing comedy, when we see comedy, हम लोग को देख के लगता है यार ये बहुत ही आसान चीज है, but it's actually not. It's one of the most difficult things to do. But when your sense of humor in reality is as kick-ass as yours, जैसे कि आपका, so does it make doing comedy on screen easier compared to other genres?
No, I think what it does is it doesn't make the acting part easy, but it makes improvisation easy. What happens is that I always have, if there's a dialogue or anything, I have something funny to add to it, So I've always got other funny things to say. Like I remember one of my co-stars, senior famous big co-star actor, once told me, he said, Arshad, तू improvise करेगा ना? तो I said, हाँ करूँगा. तो he said, तेरे लिए नहीं, मेरे लिए करेगा क्या? मैं हाँ तेरे लिए भी करूँगा. So this is what happened. So because I have an inherent sense of humor, so I tend to I find humor in everything. So I see something and the scene is written. So 10 things come to my mind. Then I tell the director, I said, okay, this is the possibility, this is the possibility, this is the possibility. And if he finds any of them interesting, we go with it.
But अगर आप 3 ऑप्शन दोगे सर तो मेरे ख्याल से तो डायरेक्टर को तीनों ही पसंद आ रहा होगा. He will himself get confused किया कौन सा रखे.
नहीं वहाँ पे क्या होता है जो जिस डायरेक्टर का ईगो नहीं है ना उसको आपके सजेशन पसंद आते, जिसका ईगो है उसको सिर्फ अपने सजेशन पसंद आते हैं.
हाँ कि बेटा तू वही कर जो मैं तेरे को बोल रहा हूँ. That's what it is. But you know, sir, you have been part of such iconic movies. We have to talk about it. One of them being Munna Bhai MBBS. That's turning 17 years on 19th of December, if that's the correct date. So I have got interesting fan questions. मैंने पहले से बोल के रखा था अपने Instagram पे दोस्तों को कि यार ये अरशद वारसी के साथ we are having this session. So they have these very famous circuit dialogues. तो वो बोला गया था 2003 में. So how will Circuit be saying these dialogues in 2020 and that too in a very rapchic manner in English?
अरे बाप, अच्छा इंग्लिश में भी.
हाँ जी, तो ये वही ट्विस्ट है. चलिए सर, आप जरूर फाड़ दोगे सर अब अच्छे से. फर्स्ट वन, भाई ये रूम तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया.
Bro, this room has ended just before it could start. इंग्लिश में अजीब हो जाएगा. कुछ और सुनना चाहिए.
Yeah, but it's still funny the way you say it.
This should be more like you open the door and say, "Bro, where's the room?"
Yes, okay, that makes it all the way more interesting. Okay,
where's the rest of the room?
नहीं है.
No, where's the rest of the room?
Okay, life में जब टाइम कम रहता है ना, डबल जीने का डबल. So how would you say that in English?
I would say enjoy your time now because I'm going to kill you in 3 minutes. These are very profound words. If you have, okay.
The next one is भाई टेंशन नहीं लेने का. ये बहुत ही सिंपल है सर. इसको आप इंग्लिश में भी एकदम मक्खन की तरह you're gonna be saying it.
तो कुछ बोलना ही नहीं, टेंशन ही है वर्ड खाली और कुछ.
Okay, ये वाला है. The next one is ए भाई अगर मैं हाल चला गया तो भाई क्या करेगा?
बैल क्या करेगा?
तो हाँ बैल क्या करेगा? राइट.
Bro, if I'm the cow, then who is going to be the wow?
Oh my God, this is funnier than I expected. Okay, full confidence में जाने का और एकदम विनम्रता के साथ बात करने का.
Okay. Full confidence तो बात इंग्लिश हमें वही सुना आता तो इंग्लिश में ही है. Go with full confidence. And speak your hands folded. I don't know.
Lovely. ये सर ये वाला पक्का जमेगा. I'm telling you. ए चिली चिकन एम्बुलेंस का फोटो निकालने का है क्या? This is what it is.
ए चिली चिकन, you want ambulance photo? Photo?
Okay, the last one. ए तेरी हाइट क्या है? How long? वो how long इंग्लिश में है. तो अगर आप इसको इम्प्रोवाइज करके नए से इंग्लिश में डालोगे तो क्या करोगे? To add to the humor element.
How tall are you? Your length.
Lovely. So we all saw Circuit in 2003, and right now we saw a reprised version of Circuit in 2020. I wish you all the best for Durgamati sir. Thank you so much. बहुत ही मजा आया.
Thank you, buddy.
And lovely talking to you. All the best. Keep kicking, keep rocking, and see you soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.